Hi everybody, I'm Amanda. I'm an account manager with Interact One. We're an e-commerce agency that's been around for over 26 years based in Cincinnati, Ohio. And today I'm gonna walk you guys through what is Shopify, because I feel like we're starting to see the word Shopify everywhere. It's used for some of the most popular online stores, and I really wanna give you guys the main highlights in under 3 minutes. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Really quick, I wanna say that this is a super rapid fire video, but we do have other short FAQ style videos across our channel. So if you're looking for more information about Shopify, take a look there and subscribe, and you can keep up with the latest updates and news and plans. With that being said, Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that allows you to build and manage your online store. Whenever you see the word e-commerce, it really just refers to online shopping, and the word e-commerce platform is just referring to the fact that the website is on a platform that allows customers to shop. Whenever a website has e-commerce involved, it tends to be a little bit more complex because you're storing a lot of sensitive and private information like credit card information from your customers, any customer information. And so there's a lot of different ways that you can manage that, and Shopify is a great option for starting out a store like that. Shopify is really unique because it doesn't require as much coding as the other platforms. It's really great for merchants, whether they're starting out or if they're an enterprise company. I know there's definitely brands like Skims that are on there that are thriving and doing very well, even though the platform is much more simple to manage than, for example, Magento or Adobe Commerce. At our agency, most of our clients are larger, more enterprise, and they are thriving on Shopify and have had a great experience on that platform. The cost of running a Shopify store definitely varies. It can vary from $29 a month to over $3,000 a month. It really just depends on what kind of plan you use. Make another video updating the new plans because there have been some changes lately. So check out our channel if you're interested in seeing that. Overall, it's a pretty economical option, and there's definitely a lot of opportunity for integrations with third parties, which allows you to have a bit more customization without the need to hire developers, so that can also help with cost. Overall, Shopify will allow you to do pretty much everything you would need in a basic e-commerce store. If you require more customization, then you can work with an agency like us at Interact One. Overall, everything runs out of the Shopify dashboard, so you can really easily manage your products and inventory. You can use their themes to kind of make a nice UX and UX design experience. Overall, we highly recommend it as a platform. Like I said, if you're looking for any more information regarding Shopify, our page has tons of content, so feel free to look through that for more in-depth analyses and conversations. But for now, I wanted to keep this one short and just give you guys a quick overview so you know what to expect as you build your Shopify store.